In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a team on FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official FIFA World Cup Fantasy website. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now navigate to the section My Team. Now to create your team, you will be given a 100 million budget. Using this budget, you need to pick a total of 15 players, 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders and 3 forwards. You can select players from different national teams, but make sure you balance your squad wisely so you don't overspend on just one area. After selecting your players, choose your starting XL and then pick a captain, because your captain earns double points based on real match performance like goals, assists, clean sheets and saves. Your remaining players will sit on the bench as substitutes in case you want to rotate your lineup. Once your team is ready, confirm and save your squad before the deadline. As the tournament progresses, you will be able to make transfers and use boosters, but these are limited, so use them strategically to maximize your points. And that's it. You have successfully created your FIFA World Cup Fantasy team and you are ready to compete with players worldwide. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.